guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make mango bread malai roll. We need these mentioned ingredients for our recipe. Note it down. White bread slices, condensed milk, mango, milk, sugar, chopped dry nuts, mango jam, silver coated cardamom seeds, and cinnamon stick. Cut the mango into cubes and then add them in a mixer. Add a little water and blend to make a smooth mango puree. Now to prepare mango mawa paste, take 1/4 cup milk in a pot. Then add half cup milk made to it and stir well. Keep the flame medium. When it starts to boil, add a tablespoon of sugar. Heat the milk at medium flame for another minute. Now add 2 tablespoons of mango puree to it. Stir and combine well. Boil and keep stirring. Make sure the mixture is smooth consistency. Boil for another 3 to 4 minutes until the mawa paste thickens and turns creamy. Mawa paste is ready. Transfer it in a bowl and keep aside. Second, to prepare the malai milk, take 1 cup milk in a pot and add half cup condensed milk to it. Stir well and boil the milk at medium flame. Now add the remaining mango puree to the milk. Keep stirring to combine them well. Keep the flame medium and boil it for another minute. Then add cinnamon powder to it and mix well. Boil for 3 to 4 minutes until the milk thickens. Check the consistency of the milk. The milk level should be decreased gradually and the consistency of the malai will be smooth and thick. Malai milk is ready. Set it aside to cool down. Now cut the edges of the bread. Repeat the same process for all the slices. Blend the bread slices in a mixer to prepare breadcrumbs. Then add little water to it as required and knead well by your hand to make a dough. Bread dough is ready. Now divide it into 4 equal portions. Take a portion of the dough and roll between your palms to make a smooth round dough ball with no cracks. Now press it lightly between your palms to make it flat. Add 1 teaspoon of mawa paste in the center and form a roll. Then roll it between your palms to give it a cylindrical shape. Make sure the filling is enclosed within the bread dough. Repeat the same to make all the other bread rolls. Transfer all bread mawa rolls in a serving dish and pour malai milk on them. Ensure all the rolls are nicely soaked in rabri from all sides. Sprinkle chopped dry nuts on the top. Add silver-coated cardamom seeds for an enhanced aroma and flavor. Garnish by adding little slices of mango jam on the top of the rolls and then refrigerate for an hour before serving. Mango bread malai roll is ready. Serve it in a bowl and enjoy. You all must try this recipe at home and share your views or queries in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and like. Thank you guys for watching.